Today we're removing the stereo from a 2002 Ford Mustang. We put the key in the ignition. We're going to shift to a lower gear here and set the emergency brake. We're going to start with our pry tool. Usually fingers and so on can remove this panel around the gear shift. We're going to work our way up the side here. And this panel will clip off. We're going to lift this up and remove the cigarette lighter from it. There's a trigger at one edge of the connector here. We're going to squeeze that trigger down. And release that panel and move it to the side. The reason for removing this panel is it goes over the panel that's in front here. We're going to grasp the bottom edge here. And we're going to pull it forward. Work our way up the sides with the pry tool and pull this panel forward. There are several connectors on the bottom of it. We're just going to pull this down and let the opening where the car stereo fits go over the gear shift. And we're going to get access to the car stereo here. There are two mounting screws, both at the bottom of the stereo. These are 7mm. We have many Ford removal guides on our website. See our website, gearshift.com. We also have repair rates there as well. This will be the bottom left mounting screw we're going to remove. We'll move over to the right and remove the one on the right as well. We see this car stereo in shop quite often for the CD changer malfunctioning. We're going to reset the changer before thinking about taking it up the shop and getting it repaired. And to reset the changer, we need to remove it from the dash and disconnect it. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Now that we have the radio two screws removed, we're going to pull the radio from the dash. This is going to give access to the back of the changer. We're going to start with the antenna wire, which is here, and we're going to grasp this and wiggle it, and that will release. We have probably steering wheel controls as a second connector here. We're going to push this trigger in on the side. That's going to release that one. We also have a second connector here. We're going to lift the trigger and pull that connector out. And then the third connector, and the trigger's again on the bottom. This one's being a little bit difficult. Okay. A little bit different angle, and that's how you remove the connector. Now, this is also the process for resetting the radio, but this is how you remove the stereo from a 2002 Ford Mustang. See our other videos at gearshift.com, and we're going to reset this by plugging it back in here after letting it sit a moment. Thank you for watching.